Hello and welcome. In this video, we're reviewing DRAIVER, a vehicle transport platform that connects contractors to delivery gigs for moving cars, trucks, and cargo vans. But is it worth driving for them in 2025, or more trouble than it's worth? Let's break it down. DRAIVER lets you sign up as a contractor and accept vehicle delivery jobs in your area. Once you're approved, the app notifies you when a gig is available. These are typically drive-away jobs, moving cars from one location to another. Pay rates vary by job, and you can choose assignments based on your schedule. DRAIVER highlights the flexibility. You work on your own terms with zero direct supervision. One big upside is schedule control. Drivers say they can easily accept or decline jobs depending on availability. Some reviews mention that for occasional or part-time driving work, it's a good fit and can be a fun way to travel. Others appreciate that delivery routes are often B2B, which reduces issues with customer pickups. However, there are significant downsides too. Availability is inconsistent. Many drivers report that jobs disappear within seconds, and some go days without any gigs to accept. The app itself has been criticized. Users frequently experience crashes, freezing during photo uploads or in the My Money section, and general instability. Driver support is another major concern. Numerous reviews cite poor communication, a lack of reliable assistance during trips, and inability to resolve payment issues, some claiming they never received pay or support when needed. Reddit discussions confirm this frustration, with some users saying support is non-responsive or offers inconsistent guidance. So is DRAIVER worth trying, or should you leave it? If you're looking for occasional gig work and enjoy long-distance vehicle deliveries, DRAIVER may offer flexibility and decent pay for certain trips. However, you need reliable app performance and quick support, and many users report that both are lacking. Inconsistent job availability, app crashes, and spotty administration make it a risky option for full-time gig drivers. Bottom line, DRAIVER is not a scam, but it's flawed. For drivers in major metro areas with van or truck delivery options, it might be okay as a side gig, but for reliable pay and customer service, you might be better off with established platforms or local delivery services. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching.